Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Bajra Khichdi. Bajra Khichdi is a warm and nutritious recipe that can be made during the winters. It's a very healthy recipe that you can make for lunch or dinner. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need 500 ml of water, 2 bowls of soaked millet pearls, also known as bajra, 1 bowl of soaked yellow mung dal. We've soaked both of these overnight. 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves, 1.5 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves for garnishing at the end, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of hing, also known as asafoetida powder, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 big chopped tomato, 1 big chopped onion, 50 grams of green beans, 50 grams of beans, 3 bay leaves, 3 cloves, 5 to 7 curry leaves, 2 dry red chilies, 1 big piece of ginger, and not to forget my mum's special spice box. We are going to be making our Bajra Khichdi in an instant pot. So first we're going to put it on the saute mode for 10 minutes. And then we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of ghee. We'll just let it melt a bit before we add in our 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Along with our bay leaves, curry leaves, cloves, and dry red chilies. We're also going to add in our garlic cloves, which we had already chopped. Then we're going to mix it well. And we're just going to saute it for a couple of minutes. We're going to add in half a teaspoon of hing, also known as asafoetida powder. Add in 1 big finely chopped onion. Then we're just going to let it cook for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add in our tomatoes, green beans, beans, and then we're going to mix it well. You can add in any vegetables of your choice. Then we're going to add in our kasturi methi, also known as dry fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well. As you can see, we've coated most of the vegetables with our masalas. And then we're going to add in our split yellow mung dal. Our pearl millet seeds, also known as bajra. So the ratio is 1 bowl of mung dal to 2 bowls of bajra. Then we're going to mix it well. And now we're going to add some water. We need to cook this for around 20 minutes, so that's why we're adding a little bit of extra water. Then we're going to mix well. Once you've mixed it fully, we're going to grate our piece of ginger. This is completely optional. If you like ginger, then you can add some ginger, but if you don't like it or want to make this a little bit more mild, then you can add less or no ginger. Then we're going to mix it again. Once you've mixed everything, it's time to start cooking it. So we're going to put it on a pressure cooker mode, put the lid on, and make sure the vent is closed as well. So now it's on a pressure cook mode. We're going to do it for 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and the pressure cooker has turned off and it's released all the pressure. So now we're going to open it. We have left our Bajra Khichdi a little bit liquidy because that's how it's served traditionally. So we're going to give it a little stir and then it's time for plating. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!